guys, welcome once again to Alfredo Keys. This is another great tutorial on how to play Bob Marley song, and this song is entitled Stir It Up, Stir It Up. It was played in the key of A, key A, but for the sake of beginners, I've transposed to the key of F, so I'm playing in F, even though the original key is A, but I'm playing in F. Alright, so starting with the backing goes like this. Okay, this is how the backing goes. Do, and then to Re, T, Do, 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 Re, Re, T, T, Do, 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 Re, Re, T, T, Do, 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 Do. That's the backing. So Do, 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 Re, Re, Ti, Ti, Do, 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 Re, Re, Ti, Ti, Do, 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 Re, Re, Ti, Ti. So that's the backing. Now to the bass line. The bass line is Do, Mi, Fa, Mi, Fa, La, Do, So, Ti, Re, Do, Mi, Fa, Mi, Fa, La, Do, So, Ti, Re, Do, Mi, Fa, Fa, La, Do, So, Ti, Re, Do, Mi, Fa, Fa, La, Do, So, Ti, Re, Do, Mi, Fa, Fa, La, Do, So, Ti, Re, Do, Mi, Fa, Fa, La, Do, So, Ti, Re, Do, Mi, Fa, Fa, La, Do, So, Ti, Re. So whilst you're on Do here, it's like this. Now the bass line, it has two parts. From that we go to Do, Re, Mi, Do, Fa, So, La, Fa, Do, Re, Mi, Do, Fa, So, La, Fa. So with the backing. Now to the starting. So this is a simple bass line. You can add it to your usual bass lines whilst playing any reggae song. You can add it to your bass lines. So let's play it with the song and then look at how best it will sound. You see? Now to the second part. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and then please subscribe if this is your first time visiting my channel, so that you'll be part of the family. I also have a WhatsApp group that I do share videos on daily basis, so you can join with the number below the screen there, and then we can vibe from there. Thanks very much. Please remember to turn on the notification so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks, and please don't forget to leave a comment under the comment section. Bye bye.